All right, all right, all right. I hope you are having the best day ever because I sure as heck am. Today, we're going to be talking about 4 books that can start you off on an incredible journey in data. Or if you're already on a journey with data, these can really be accelerators to drive you forward. Oh, exciting stuff. My name is Chris Wagner. Welcome to KratosBI. This is the home of the data gods where we're going to turn you into a data god. All right, first book. Oh, we gotta zoom in on this stuff. This is too good. This is the exam reference guide. This is by Danny, Johnny, and Steven. This is a fantastic guide to get you started in Microsoft Fabric. It covers all sorts of things that you need to know for the DP600, but it's a great baseline for getting up to speed in Microsoft Fabric, making sure you know all the who's it's, what's it's, and frankly, you're going to learn stuff by just by going through this study guide. You're going to learn a whole bunch of things about Microsoft Fabric. I was a little surprised to admit I started on this book today, and I learned something new on page 2. So, did you know that data flows are capped at 50 queries? I didn't. That's why you need a data pipeline. If you need to do more than 50 queries in one pipe, you got to have a data. You have to use a data pipeline. I had no idea. Oh, excellent. All right. The next book that we're going to be talking about. So we're going to be going in order from back end to front end. Okay. So the next book is now, if you're a data engineer, the Fabric book helps you build out the pipelines, manage load, transform all of that data. So that's a good one, right? But what are you going to be transforming it into? Aha, that's where the star schema comes into place. This is your gold layer in the medallion architecture. This will help you make sure that your semantic models are easy to use, easy to work with, and your users can really do stuff with it. Do check it out. You can get it on Amazon. I mean, honestly, just, I'll have affiliate links below for all of these books. But I mean, look how good this one is. I use this on like a near daily basis. I'm constantly floating in and out of different chapters, so I've got it all dog-eared, and I use this guy all the time. All right, book number 3. Now, this one, the first edition of this book changed my life in data. It really transformed the way I look at information because it changed me from a process oriented to a business solution oriented view of data. And I think that's really important because you look at a lot of books out there and it's like it's almost like a dictionary. Like, okay, they've defined all the terms, but what the heck do you do with it? It's more useful if you have a book of recipes for how you solve the problems, right? Like, it's great if I've got flour and I've got baking soda and I've got eggs and I've got all of these things in my cabinet. Hey, great, that's fantastic. But what if I really want to bake a cake? Well, that's where this next book, DAX Patterns, comes into play. Okay, so DAX Patterns, and again, available on Amazon. Shows you how you could do, you solve different problems that your business may have with DAX, with the formula engine that's inside of Power BI. Now, this is a fantastic component because while there's a lot of things data engineering will do, and there's a lot of things that modeling will solve, there's some things that have to exist in the semantic layer, and the best way to learn how to do those things is with DAX Patterns. There's a whole bunch of other books out on the subject. This is one I just absolutely love. All right. And then the last book that we're going to delve into is maybe the most important because it's the component where people are actually going to touch what it is that your data, right? And that's the reporting layer. How do you create effective data storytelling to help people? And that's what Brent Dykes, he has this incredible book is an absolute must. If you're building out reports and you've got people that are using this content, you've got to go through and check this out. It too is available on Amazon, so head over there. Make sure you pick it up. I mean, all these books are like $30 or so. So it's not gonna, we're not talking about break the bank type things, but these are significant components that you can truly invest in yourself, invest in your career. And hey, I thought this was so incredible. We actually did a live book club on the topic. So you can see, like, if you want to run through the different chapters with us in the group, feel free to go out and get the book and then watch the YouTube videos on it that we've got out there. All right. Okay. I hope you found this was helpful. Leave a like, comment down below, share it with your friends and family, all that good stuff if you found this useful. And hey, if this is just straight up too much for you, and like, I understand this is a lot for a lot of people. If it's too much, you need help, head over to KratosBI.com. Right at the top, I got a button like get me a data god. Click on that, fill out the form. I'll get a notification. Someone from my team will reach out to you, and we can help you solve any problem that you've got going on. All right? You have the best day ever. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.